হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আপনারা দেখছেন Cybertalk ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। সাথে আছি আমি আপনাদের হোস্ট রহমান। আজকে এই ভিডিওতে আমরা কথা বলবো কানাডাতে একটা ইন্স্যুরেন্স পেতে হলে আপনাকে কি প্রসিকিউটর পালন করতে হবে তা নিয়ে। তো কানাডাতে আপনারা যখন একটা ইন্স্যুরেন্স নিতে যাবেন তখন কোত্থেকে এটা বাই করা যাবে বা কোন ধরনের ইন্স্যুরেন্স আপনার জন্য ফলপ্রসূ হবে তা নিয়ে আজকে ভিডিওতে আমরা আলোচনা করব। আজকে যে ওয়েবসাইটটি নিয়ে আমরা আলোচনা করব এটা canada.ca.com একটি ওয়েবসাইট। আপনারা কিন্তু চাইলে পার্সোনালি ওয়েব ব্লগটি ভিজিট করে বিস্তারিত জেনে নিতে পারেন। তো ভিডিওটি শুরু করার আগে চ্যানেলে যারা নতুন আছেন অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিবেন এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে দিতে পারেন পরবর্তী ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশন পাওয়ার জন্য সবার আগে সবসময়। কিন্তু ওয়েবসাইটটিতে চলে এসেছি, এখানে canada.ca ওয়েবসাইটটি গেটিং অ্যান ইন্স্যুরেন্স পলিসি ফ্রম ফিনান্সিয়াল কনজিউমার এজেন্সি অফ কানাডা। এটা কিন্তু ফিনান্সিয়াল কনজিউমার এজেন্সি যে কানাডার যে আছে সেখান থেকে কিন্তু আর্টিকেলটা লেখা হয়েছে। তো এখানে আছে এই পেজের মধ্যে আপনি আসলে কি ব্যাপারে জানতে পারবেন। আমরা এই আর্টিকেলের মাধ্যমে আজকে জানতে পারবো হোয়ার টু বাই ইন্স্যুরেন্স, চুজিং অ্যান ইন্স্যুরেন্স কোম্পানি, ইউজিং অ্যান ইন্স্যুরেন্স এজেন্ট অর ব্রোকার, determining your insurance need, shopping around and finding the best deal, criteria insurance companies use to issue policy, maintaining your insurance coverage, what to do when your insurance company ends your coverage। এই ব্যাপারগুলো কিন্তু ভিডিওর মধ্যে আজকে আমরা জানবো, কাজে না টেনে পুরো ভিডিওতে আমাদের সাথেই থাকুন। Where to buy insurance, a licensed insurance agent, you can buy insurance from a licensed insurance agent, a registered insurance broker and insurance company, a lender when you apply for a loan. Life insurance can usually only be bought from a licensed insurance agent. You can buy travel health insurance from travel agency, automobile association and banks. Your credit card may also provide you with travel insurance when you use it to pay for a trip. Regardless of where you buy insurance, an insurance company will issue you a policy. You can buy insurance over the phone, online, in person. You may be able to get a discount if you buy more than one type of insurance policy from the same insurance company. For example, you may get a discount if you buy your home and car insurance together. You may also get a discount if you complete and submit your application online. So choosing an insurance company. Dealing with a federally, provincially or territorially licensed insurance company will ensure you have access to an independent dispute resolution system if you need to make a complaint. You are protected in case your insurance company fails. Assurance protects your life insurance benefits up to a certain amount in case of life insurance company fails. Find out how much of your life insurance benefit Assurance guarantees. The properties and the casualty insurance compensation corporation PACICC protects your home and car insurance benefit up to a certain amount in case your home or car insurance company fails. The property and casualty insurance compensation using an insurance agent or broker. আসলে ইন্স্যুরেন্স এজেন্ট আর ব্রোকার কোনটা ইউজ করাটা আসলে ভালো হবে। An insurance agent is someone who represents an insurance company and sells its insurance product. An insurance broker is a person or company who sells the product or several different insurance companies. However, in some cases, a life insurance agent may also represent several different insurance companies. Dealing with a licensed agent or A registered broker will help to ensure them that they are properly trained, have the resource to provide you with the insurance service you may need. Agent and broker must usually be licensed in the province or territory in which they do business. Confirm that your insurance company is licensed or registered to do business in your province or territory. Before choosing an insurance agent or broker, you may want to ask your friends and family if they can recommend someone they have deal with. Ask the agent or broker to provide a reference from the client about their training and qualifications. If they have passed the Lifelines Qualifications Program LLQP, if you are buying life insurance. If they belong to professional associations such as Advoice, the Financial the Financial Advisor Associations of Canada or the Insurance Broker Association of Canada, how long they have been in business, what service they will provide after selling you the policy. Determining your insurance need. You need to decide on the type of the insurance coverage you need and how much coverage you need. Type of insurance. Make sure you get the right insurance to meet your need. Your need may change over time. Consider reviewing your insurance need from time to time. You want to make sure you have enough coverage to protect you against the financial loss of something unexpected happens. For example, car insurance is mandatory and could pay the cost of repair to your vehicles if you have an accident. Life insurance could provide your family with the money to support themselves when you die. Health insurance could help you cover costs that aren't covered by your basic provincial or territorial health plan. Home insurance could cover the cost of repair to your home if there is damage to your home, condominium or apartment. Disability insurance could replace a person of your income if you are no longer able to work due to an accident or illness that leaves you disabled. Credit and loan insurance, including credit card balance insurance, could cover all or part of the amount you owe on a loan. Lines of credit, mortgage and credit cards. If you get sick, die, lose or your job, or there an accident or illness that leaves you disabled. So you may also want to have an emergency saving fund to protect you against some of the similar financial risks. Decide how much insurance coverage you need. Coverage refers to the amount of protection you have been purchased. This is the maximum amount of money the insurance company will pay you if you make a claim for a loss or event covered by your policy. When you decline how much car or home insurance you might need, consider the value of the item you are insuring. Think about the full financial impact of paying for the loss or event you are insuring. So when deciding how much life or disability insurance you might need, consider the loss of income in your household should death or disability happen. For example, perhaps only one or no income would be coming in. So decide how much a deductible you are able to pay. If you are considering car, home or health insurance, your insurance company will ask you to choose a deductible. Choosing a higher deductible will decrease the cost of your insurance premium because you agree to pay for a larger part of your loss. Determine how much of a deductible you can pay if you need to make a claim. Deductible don't apply to life insurance or disability insurance. Decide if you need additional coverage. You may be able to buy extra insurance known as rider or endorsement to pay for risk not covered in your basic policy. Read your policy carefully and make sure you understand that what is and is not covered. Shopping around and finding the best deal. Shop around and get quote and compare policy details such as coverage and cost. Some policy may be cheaper but may not be offered the same level of service coverage. If you are a member of an union, association or club, many insurance companies offer special lower rate for group coverage. Coverage usually ends when you are no longer a member of the group or you reach a certain age. Before signing, read the policy carefully. Make sure you understand what your policy covered and does not cover. Criteria insurance companies use to issue a policy. Depending on the type of insurance you are getting, insurance company will determine if they will sell you a policy based on information such as your age, your gender, your medical history. In the case of the life insurance, disability insurance, any previous claims you have made, the amount of coverage you have asked for. Insurance company will consider the risk of insurance ensuring you will access your eligibility to get coverage before providing you with a policy. This is called an underwriting process. The underwriting process will determine how much coverage the insurance company will provide, which condition if they excluded the premium you need to pay. As a part of application process for life and health insurance, you will need to prove that you are in good health. The insurance company may require that you complete a medical questionnaire or exam before approving you for a policy. This is called evidence of insurability. No matter what type of insurance you are applying for, be sure to answer all questions on your application completely and honestly. If you don't, your policy could be cancelled and claim you make the future could be refused. You may not be able to get insurance from any company in the future. Maintaining your insurance coverage. Here are some tips to maintain your insurance coverage. Pay your premiums on time. If you don't make your insurance payments on time, your insurance company may cancel your policy. Your coverage will stop and you will no longer protected. If your insurance company policy cancelled your policy due to non-payment, you may find it difficult to get coverage in the future or have to pay higher premiums. Advise your insurance company about any change in your situation. Tell your insurance company as soon as possible about any change that may affect its ability to cover you. For example, your car insurance company will need to know you you have been charged with driving offense. Renew your policy on time. Make sure that you renew your policy on time to maintain your coverage. Your insurance policy will list the exact procedure you need to follow or to renew it. Generally, your insurance company will renew your car insurance and home insurance policy automatically. Some life and health insurance, such as lifelong policy, don't to be renewed. You may also want to consider shopping around for another insurance provider. Shopping around will let you continue to get the best value for the coverage you need. In most part of Canada, there is a lot of competition for your insurance business. What to do when your insurance company ends of your coverage? Your insurance company may not renew your policy because of your claim history, non-payment of premiums. If your insurance company tells you that you won't renew your policy, ask the company to explain the reason for the decision. Ask for the explanation in writing. If you are not satisfied with the response, you can make complaints. তো ভিডিওটি যারা দেখলেন সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। আশা করি ভিডিওটি থেকে আপনারা সবাই উপকৃত হবেন। পরবর্তী ভিডিও দেখার আমন্ত্রণ রইল। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। টেক কেয়ার।